In the name of Allah, I shall present to you some reasons for embracing Islam. First and foremost, the sacred book of Islam is called the Holy Quran, which is more recent than the Holy Bible. Over time, numerous alterations have been made to the Bible, leading to various errors and inconsistencies. In contrast, the Holy Quran has remained unchanged for over 1400 years. Not even the slightest scientific or any other form of error exists within it, nor has its text been altered in any way. So, these things qualify my invitation to you that please embrace Islam before your last breath. Thank you.